friends, once you know the correct method of milk and water questions, you can never get it wrong. In the first container, milk is to water ratio is 1:1. That means total parts in this vessel is 1 plus 1, that means 2. In the second container, milk is to water ratio is 2:3 and total parts is 2 plus 3, that means 5. When they are mixed in any ratio, always first take the LCM of 2 and 5, which is 10. Next, mixture 1 and mixture 2 is taken in the ratio 2:3. Multiply this 2 with our LCM, that means take 20 liters of mixture 1. In the same way, multiply this 3 with the LCM, so take 30 liters of mixture 2. This gives us milk in the combined mixture. In the first vessel, milk ratio is 1/2 into we have taken 20 liters plus in the second vessel milk ratio is 2/5 and we have taken 30 liters. So this becomes 22 liters and water in the combined mixture will be 1/2 of 20 plus 3/5 of 30. This gives you 28 liters. That means milk is to water ratio becomes 22/28 or simply 11/14.